Bitcoin took a big fat dump on the 19th of May as it crossed below the 200-day moving average. Now that's a drop from its all-time high of just over $64,000. Now this drop was precipitated by Elon Musk's tweet saying that Tesla were no longer going to accept Bitcoin for payments for its cars. And there's been a lot of chatter in the cryptocurrency space that this was a coordinated move by big players in order to shake out retail investors, weak hands, and then move Bitcoin over into strong hands. And that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. I'm also going to be looking at this analysis, which suggests that Bitcoin may be forming an inverted head and shoulders on the six-hourly candle, which is a bullish signal. And which big player, biggest financial player of all, is looking at Bitcoin? That's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. Earn Bitcoin and Ethereum this way. Set up a free account with the Solar Oil Project using my affiliate link in the description below. Purchase and stake SOAX tokens at 10 cents each. Earn rewards in SOPX tokens with each SOPX token pegged to the price of 1 barrel of oil. Play around with the restaking calculator on the website. Use my affiliate link in the description below to find out more. Now, this article is from Ethereum World News, and I shall link to this in the description below this video. Please do subscribe, comment, like, all that sort of stuff. It supports me. Now, the author here draws an inverted head and shoulders pattern. Now, this is a bullish pattern, and it suggests that if it plays out, this is on the 6-hourly candle, that if it plays out, we could be seeing signs of a reversal. Now, me personally, I don't know. I'm just letting you know what this analyst is saying. Now, if it does play out, we could be looking at Bitcoin moving above 40,000 in the next few days or so to making highs of 49, 50,000. Now, if it does that, that would take Bitcoin above the 200 daily moving average, which would be very, very bullish. And it could take it right above the EMA ribbon. So it'd be like a complete reversal. Now, what it would take is a hell of a lot of volume to move it up through that. And right now, volume is declining, which is a good sign, suggesting there's going to be a breakout at some point soon. And we need a lot of volume to send it above the 200 daily EMA. Now, in the same article, the author, he talks about how Bitcoin whales have accumulated 30,000 Bitcoin that are priced between 31,000 and 40,000. So this is more evidence for the point of view that this has been a manipulated, targeted move by large players in order to shake out the weak hands. You know, as Bitcoin started rising from December 2020 all the way up here, lots and lots of people came into the space, many of them new to cryptocurrency, many of them people who'd sat and watched, you know, people like you and I accumulate Bitcoin over the years and think, okay, I'm now ready to move in. Now that the price is moving up, I shall now buy. Now, these are likely to be retail investors, weak hands, and what they do whenever there's a shakedown, they get scared and they sell. Meanwhile, the big players have been buying. Bitcoin whales holding 100 to 10,000 BTC have accumulated 30,000 more coins in the last week. And the accumulation coincided with last week's retest of 31,000 and rejection at 40.8 thousand. Now, these green bars represent the price of Bitcoin. This purple line represents wallets that have more than 100 to 10,000 coins. And you can see here that they started selling here when the price, just before the price was really, really high, kept selling. And here we had the drop on May the 19th. And here they've started picking up. So from here to here, large holders have accumulated another 30,000 Bitcoins. Now, what's the lesson? The lesson here is don't sell when the price is going down. And probably the safest bet, I mean, this is certainly the strategy that I've adopted, is just to hodl. Keep buying, dollar cost average, and just hodl. And have a longer timeline, like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years. Let me know in the description below, where do you think Bitcoin will be in 10 years' time? How much will one Bitcoin be worth then? How much will a tenth of a Bitcoin be worth then? And perhaps small players like you and I would be wise to follow what some of the really, really large players are doing. Like here, BlackRock is studying crypto, which could someday play a role akin to gold. says the CEO of BlackRock. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink said on Wednesday the company is studying the potential of cryptocurrencies to serve as long-term investments, though it's too early to tell if they're just a speculative trading tool due to their volatility. Now, we know lots and lots of banks and other financial institutions are getting interested in cryptocurrencies. PayPal is going to make it available for people to move their crypto out of the PayPal wallet, which is brilliant because that means you have the private keys and it's real Bitcoin. But BlackRock are something else. BlackRock is an American multinational investment management corporation based in New York, founded in 1988. It is the world's largest asset manager with $8.67 trillion in assets under management as of January 2021. When they start looking at Bitcoin, doesn't mean that they're going to start adopting it. I think that's a big deal. And another sign of the long-term fundamental bullishness of Bitcoin. That's it. Just a short video with some Bitcoin news. Let me know what you think and keep your eyes on the prize. This is a long-term play. And don't forget what's happening in the fundamental space with the ridiculous printing of fiat currencies by governments the world over. I'm going to be interested to see where Bitcoin closes end of this week, and I'm also going to be interested to see where Bitcoin closes end of this month. Let me know how you think it's going to play out, and between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.